This is TCL 505 and today I'll show how you can hard reset this phone through its recovery mode. Press and hold the side power button for about a second and power off your smartphone. Now you gotta wait for your device to be shut down entirely, which you'll know by it producing a slight vibration. Now, once the device is switched off, simultaneously press and hold the volume up and power buttons and release them once you'll see the TCL logo on your screen. So press and hold them, shouldn't take more than 3 seconds. So once you see the TCL logo on your screen, let your finger on both those buttons. And now wait for about 5 seconds, maybe 7 seconds at most to be booted into the Android recovery menu. Here, use the volume up and down to navigate and power key to confirm or select. Here, make sure to select the Wipe Data Factory Reset option, then press the power button. Once again, select the Factory Data Reset, confirm, and now simply wait. So the data wipe has been completed successfully. Now we gotta reboot the system, and if we did everything right, well, after the phone is rebooted, you'll see the initial system setup interface. Do not be afraid if this reboot takes a lot of time. That's completely normal. Once you factory reset your phone, it takes it way more time to start itself up. So yeah, as for now, let's simply wait. So here's the initial system setup, which means that the hard reset procedure went completely successfully. So that will be it for today. Thanks for watching and bye bye.